Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute raccoon? Well, let's get started. These are the colors that I will be using. Okay, so let's start off with the head. We're gonna draw one line, a curved line across just like that, okay? And then we're gonna draw another line to meet it. So it's a curved line, so it's like an oval shape, okay? So we're gonna draw the ears up and down, okay? And then we can also draw little triangles in the inside as well. Now we're gonna draw a line going all the way. It's a curved line just like that, okay? And then we're going to do the same thing, another curved line. Okay, just like that. So it's sort of like backwards C, okay? Now, for the details, the eyes of the raccoon, we're gonna just draw two tiny circles, just like that, okay? And then in the middle, we're gonna draw a round circle, okay? We're gonna color in another circle for the nose, and then we're gonna bring a line down and curve it. Okay, so now for the body, one line down, just like that. And then also on the other side. Okay, so we're gonna bring it across and we're gonna draw another line going down just like that. Okay, so the same thing on the other side, one line across, bring it up. Okay, so now the arms, curved line, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay. So here's the body of the raccoon. Draw a line across. And the feet, you can just draw a little arch, two arches on that side. Okay, so now with the tail, they have a big tail. So we're gonna do one line going up. Okay, so it has like a little point. And then we're gonna bring it in, just like that. And we're gonna draw the stripes of the raccoon, okay? I'm just gonna bring this line up here as well. Okay, so let's shade in our raccoon. So this part here is black, okay, around this area. So you could either use your marker or a pencil crayon. I'm going to blend in with both. And I'm just going to make sure that as I'm coloring it, I leave a bit of white around the eyes as well. Just like that. Where the arms are, we can just color it gray. Okay, so I'm going to share some facts about raccoons. And they definitely like to look for garbage. I have to be careful that I seal my garbage tight at night because they like searching for food. So raccoons are active at night. They are mammals. They live throughout the world from North and South America to Asia and wooded areas and cities. So during the winter, they do sleep a lot, but they do not hibernate, okay? So to get ready for the cold winters, they pack on extra body fat in the fall, okay? They like to eat fruits, seeds, nuts, birds, eggs, and plants. And like I said, they like to go through the trash as well to look for food. Okay. They are excellent swimmers. So they can hunt for fish, frogs as well. And they can live up to 1 to 3 years in the wild. Okay. So they have lots of fur. So I'm just coloring it gray. And around the face, I'll just color it gray as well. So in this area, it looks like a raccoon is wearing a mask, okay? Because of the dark fur around the eyes. Okay. So I'm also going to use a black pencil crayon. Now there's a great book called The Kissing Hand, and it's a wonderful book for back to school. If you're a bit nervous about going to school the first day, reading The Kissing Hand was a really good book about a raccoon who is nervous about going to school, and his mother gives him plenty of courage. So I really encourage you to read that. I'm just going over around with my black pencil crayon. I'm just shading in some little black fur here to make it look like it's got lots of fur. And for the tail, I'm just going to color the stripes. So before I go, I have a cute joke. Why did the raccoon cross the road? To get to the trash can. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.